So in continuation of our last class, we will convert Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So the relationship is this: Fahrenheit is equals to 1.8 bracket K minus, that is Kelvin minus 273 plus 32. This is the relationship between Fahrenheit and the Kelvin. Now convert, if you have 300 degree, if you have 300 Kelvin and you want to convert it in Fahrenheit, you now use the same formula by saying 1.8 bracket 300 minus 273 plus 32. Now when you subtract 273, when you subtract 273 from 300, we have 27 times 27 plus 32. So when you multiply 27 by 1.8, we have 48.6 plus 32. When you add 32 to this number, we now have 80.6 degree Fahrenheit. Now, let us convert Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Converting Kelvin to Fahrenheit, we still make use of the same formula, which is 0.8 Kelvin minus 27.3 plus 32 equals to degree Fahrenheit. Take this one to the other side, it will be minus 1.8 bracket K minus 273. Taking this one to the other side, this one is already here, it will be minus 32. Now, open this bracket, this multiplied by this, we have 1.8 K minus 1.8 multiplied by 273, 1.8 times 273, we have 491.4, which is equals to 0 degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Take this one to the other side. We now have 1.8 K equals to 0 degree Fahrenheit minus 32 plus 491.4. So making this one subject to formula, divide both sides. You divide this one by 1.8, and now have K equals to degree Fahrenheit. Then add this thing, 491.4. When you subtract 32 from 491.4, when we take away 32, we now have here plus 459.4 over 1.8. So now if you want to convert Fahrenheit to Kelvin, maybe you have a value of 30 degree Fahrenheit and you want to convert it to Kelvin, you use this formula. Now you will have Kelvin equals to 30 plus 459.4 all over 1.8. When you add 30 to that number plus 30, you now have 489.4 all over 1.8. And when you divide the up number with down number, divide the up number by 1.8, we now have 271.89 approximately Kelvin. So you see that 30 degree Fahrenheit, when you convert it to Kelvin, to give you 271.89 Kelvin. So now we will now relate Kelvin to Fahrenheit, to Rankine. Just relate Kelvin to Rankine. Kelvin to Rankine. Relating Kelvin to Rankine. So it says degree Rankine is equals to 1.8 Kelvin. It's as simple as that. So when you have 300 Kelvin, you have degree Rankine equals to 1.8 times 300. We now have 300 times 1.8. We now have 540 degree Rankine. So if we want to convert if you want to convert Kelvin to Rankine, 300 Kelvin to Rankine, the value will be around 540 Rankine. Then let us convert Rankine to Kelvin. Still the same formula. 1.8 Kelvin equals to degree Rankine. So making Kelvin subject of formula, we now have Kelvin equals to degree Rankine over 1.8. So if you have 30 degree Rankine, you now put it 30 all over 1.8, which is 30 divided by 1.8 to give 16.667 Kelvin. So that is how we can convert it. So this work now, what I did here is just to show you method of conversion. You understand? Just take it as a way to learn how to convert temperature to order. So it's just an example. It is not that I'm referring to something somewhere. But all I try to let you know is to know the process of converting. So no matter the value, the actual value you will have in your temperature unit, you can learn how to convert it to anything. So this formula here, they are real. They are the actual formulas you'll be using, or you learn how to convert this. So please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumb up. And you can also share to your friends to learn. You can also share it on Facebook or anywhere. Thank you so much, or any social media. Thank you so much for listening. And thank you so much for watching.